This is just a short video on how to spot weld plastic. High density polyethylene is what this is. It's a couple of chunks of a milk jug. And there's a link below to my Instructable which will give you more detail. So we have these two pieces of plastic that we're welding together. We have a piece of rubber that's just a bit of cushion and it will protect from the heat. This is two pieces of Teflon mat used on barbecues. It's a fiberglass reinforced Teflon used for grilling. And this is just an espresso tamper, but any flat piece of metal will work. And a soldering iron with the tip removed, and preferably it has this flat washer-like surface on it. Some are tube-like, so they don't work quite so well. And okay, so we're just going to put these two pieces of plastic together, and we're going to sandwich them in between our two pieces of Teflon like this. Put them on our mat. Take our soldering iron and go straight down perpendicular for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 seconds. Take your tamper and just kind of push a little bit. So you have your sandwich that's kind of all stuck together now. It's quite hot, so you want to let it cool before you peel them off. If you peel it off too soon, it will stick and it'll kind of destroy your surface texture. So the back comes off fairly quickly, and you can see there, I'll try to get it, that it's melted right through. And then on the front, there we go, we have a nice weld that has some nice texture on it. And what's nice about this process is that this little ridge around here is kind of, when you press down after you heat it, it makes a nice little fold over, which is kind of like a extra strength on that edge. So it's very strong. You're not going to pull that apart. And there you go. Spot welding plastic. Thanks for watching.